Guys, no, today we're off to Buckinghamshire Railway Centre and we are with the little ones. But yeah, we're going over there for the Steam Classic Country Fair. I did say we're going to go 2 days, but we can't make it now. So I'm going to go in the one, but we're volunteering today. I'm on platform yet again. I was hoping I could work in the museum or do something different, but it's alright. Platform's fun because I get to work with all the people and the trains, and I like it. But yeah, so if you're there, I'll see you. But if you're not, well, I hope you guys like my Spain video. I'll probably have a cheeky early look around or something, or I don't even know what platform I'm on today. I've literally been told I'm on platform, and that's it. She went, sorry for not replying, you're on platform. Which one? There's 2 trains running, or no, I don't know if there's 3 because they've got a coat attached to the hundlet. Oh, poor 66. She's over there. She's out of action now. She's passed her boiler ticket. But yeah, we have Isabel and Millum, and then we're just kind of like stuck here, and I don't know which one I'm on. So I'm looking for someone who might know. I've asked everyone here. Even the drivers in the engine are like, alright, where am I? And they're like, we don't know. Oh, I don't know. I'd like to work on Millum, but then I also prefer the Mark 1s because they're so much easier to work with. I got here at 9:30 and now we've got to wait till 11. So it's like about 10 o'clock now, about 10 past 10 maybe. But yeah, so we're waiting around now until 11 o'clock and then we can set this train off. But yeah, I'm on Isabel today. There's Millum running, but no one's on the platform because the person who was supposed to be has called in sick. So we've had a million things gone wrong and the day hasn't even started. Yeah, wish me luck. And next week I'm at Thomas Day, so I've got even more train videos coming out, and I'm also seeing the Flying Scotsman at Didcot, and I've got my Spain vlog coming out. Probably after this, to be honest, because that's going to take me forever. But yeah. Doing the annual rubbish sweep. Got to look for any dirt. Just laying around. We've opened all the doors now. First train's not till 11. You're just having a look. Don't see anything yet. Yeah, the first thing everyone says when they come on here is, it's the Harry Potter coaches. It's just so funny. Okay. I don't see any rubbish. One step close to the loco. Here we go. Just still of our first classes are right at the front. Here we are first. Here's where all the rubbish seems to be. Yeah, dirty floor, but we can't help that. Okay, I'll be back in a moment.
Okay, we have a fire in a building. Flies is now mobile to the incident. The officer in charge. Sorry about the smoke. mobilisers now in attendance. The informative will go in straight away from the officer in charge of the incident. Informative 1 building, smoke issuing. Assistance message, make pumps 4. Your make pumps 4 will go in, that means we need another 2 fire engines here. You can see our firefighters are fairly young. Are part of the Fire Service Preservation Group, which was formed in 1968. The Fire Service Preservation Group, obviously, we promote home fire safety, and we promote the newer, younger people of our group to get involved in the preservation of history. They're leaving. So we like to think that our hobby will carry on in years to come when we've long gone over the Rainbow Bridge. So we promote our youngsters to learn how to use the hose wheels and do firefighting experience.
Steam up, to be fair.
There goes Isabel. Off she goes. Oh look, there's a little one. There's a little one and we're one of the big ones. Split. here come the big ones. Didn't stop, honestly. There was about 2 more traction engines I can film. because I lost track of time. I left my mate over there in the platform, and he's got to go, and I've got to be quick. So I hope he's not upset. The parade's still going. That one's not till 3, I'm afraid.
It's not 3?
No, not till 3 o'clock.
Hello, bye-bye, собачка. Он было место. Здесь не место, вы не забудете.
We'll be back in 15 minutes.
I'm going to finish up here for today. I know it's been a shorter video, but I want to enjoy the rest of the day. So we're going to say bye-bye to Isabel now. And yeah, so bye-bye. Apparently this is something special, so I thought I'd video it.